Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to control the current taken by the stepper motor using a current control loop and do the simulation using MATLAB. So this is the block diagram of a stepper motor with current control. Here the first part of the block diagram is a trajectory generator. So it produces sequence of pulse also in which order the motor has to run or it moves in steps. The second part of the block diagram is the current control. So this current control controls the current that is taken by the motor based on the load, how much the load we are connecting. So it draws the current. So the current to be limited by this current control. So the current control measures what is the current it is drawn by the motor from the driver, that is fed back to the current control unit. This current control units controls the current taken by the motor from the driver. Here the figure shows the stepper motor with a current control unit. This is a three-phase variable reluctance stepper motor. Phase A, B and C are shown here. Uh, Here a battery is connected to drive this stepper motor. Here what is the current drawn by this motor, it should be limited. So that is why we are using this current control loop to control the current taken by the motor from the battery supply. Here a current measurement unit is connected. It measures the current and it is compared with a set value of 3 ampere. Here if the current exceeds 3 ampere, it will turn of this relay type switch. If the current falls down 3 ampere, it will turn on the switch. So according to the that is a on and off condition of this relay and the pulse generator, the logic gate, that is AND gate, produces a output of either 1 or 0. If it produces 1, it will turn on this main switch. Here if you turn on the main switch means the current less than 3 ampere. As if it is turned off, this switch means the current exceeds 3 ampere. So here in this circuit it is shown only for phase A connection. Phase B and phase C are not shown. Dear viewers, I have explained about the simulation of three-phase variable reluctance stepper motor in my part 1 video. In that video, I have explained about the simulation without current control loop. I have given the link of that video in the description box. Now I am going to use the same MATLAB file to demonstrate the current control loop for saving your time. If you have not watched that video, kindly watch it. That will give you better idea of stepper motor simulation. For my simulation, I'm going to use MATLAB. This is the simulating file that I used in video 1 of my stepper motor simulation using MATLAB. This is a stepper motor of variable reluctance. Number of phases here 3, and the step angle we are choosing here, it is 30-degree rotation. This is the power supply. We are connecting to 25-volt power supply. We are exciting the coil A, B and C according to the pulse generated by the pulse generator. That pulse generator turn on the switches 1, 2 and 3, and we can run and see what is the output of this one. Here we can check, this is the pulse generated by the pulse generator in the sequence of phase A, phase B and phase C. Again it is repeating in the same sequence, and here the motor is running at the step angle of 30-degree, 30, 60, 90 and 120-degree rotation. In our simulation, we connect a current measurement unit in each phase A, B and C and measure the current and check the current. I'm going to use current measurement block. So I want to connect three current measurement blocks. This for phase A, phase B, and phase C. Phase A, phase B, and phase C. These current measurement units are connected in series with the phase windings. Now we can visualize the output of the current measurement unit. I'm going to visualize all the three phase current. So phase A, phase B, and phase C. So I connected all the three phases. Now we can run our simulation for 5 seconds time duration, and we can check the output of each phases. The current taken by each phases is 20 ampere, 20, 20, 20. This current we have to limit. Now we connect a current controller and check the current that is taken by the motor in each phases. First step of the current controller is that we have to set the reference current. For that I am selecting a constant. Here I am making the constant 3 ampere as the reference. I am using a summer adder block. Then I connect a relay switch, so it turns on and off accordingly the limit that we set here. So it is equal to 0.01, 0.01 minus. So it varies between 3 plus 0.01 and 3 minus 0.01. Now we have to connect the pulse generator, that is output of the relay, to a logic operator. So since we are connecting it to three phases, I am selecting 3 AND gates. So here all the three phases of same design, so no need to connect individual relay switches for each phases. We are going to use the same relay switch for multiple phases, phase A and phase B and phase C. So what is the current in the phase 1, A, B and C? We are going to select. Now we can delete this input and we can connect this logic output as an input to the gate. Now we have to select the input. Multi-port switch. Repeating sequence stair. I have to select the inputs in the sequence of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in the sequence. So here I am giving 3 inputs. I have to give, that is selecting values input 1, 2 and 3 at the sample time of 1 second. So now we can give this as input to the adder and we can select the current 1 as the input to the multiple port. Now we can simulate our model. So here I am simulating for 5-second time duration. Now we will check the current of each phase of our stepper motor, phase A and phase B and phase C. Here we can check here the current, it is limited up to 3 ampere. 3 ampere, the current varies in the range of 3 plus 0.01 and 3 minus 0.01. That is the limit we set here for the current to vary. And when we check the angular rotation of our stepper motor, it starts from 0, 30, 60, 90 and 120 angle. From this tutorial we can understand how can we use the current controller and control the current of each phases within a limited value. If there is any queries, put it in the comment section. Thank you for your time.